teacher Pina. I am Nadine. I introduce myself. I am Nadine, and I am currently studying the French degree in the University of Alicante, and I am currently doing the exam of English. So I will proceed to explain both exercise that I had to do this morning. Okay, the grammar exercise and the vocabulary exercise. So the grammar exercise talks about the relative pronouns. Okay, so relative pronouns, which one are that, which, where, and who. Okay, so let's start with the general explanation of a relative pronoun. Okay, so we use the relative pronouns to refer to a noun, a person, or a thing before mentioned in the sentence, so to not repeat the person or the thing twice in the sentence, and to which we want to add more information or modify. Relative pronouns can refer to something, a place, or someone in the singular or plural. Some of them can be used only with people, some only with things, and some of them with both. Okay? That is the case for what? For that. Okay, we will start with this pronoun, that, which is very used in English, okay? And which the translate in Spanish is que. That is the most used in English because you can use it with person and thing, with both. Okay? So I will give you an example of how could be a sentence with that. For example, this is the dress that I like to wear the most. This is the dress that I like to wear the most. Or another example is this is the man that won the race last year. It's clear? Okay, I continue. Now we got the other pronoun that is named which means que or cual, which only can be used with things. Okay, an example: they sell the house which I live in all my childhood. They sell the house which we live in all my childhood. Then we got where, which means donde. Where is used with sentences which refers to a place. For example, the university where I study is the best of all the Valencian community. And to finish with the exercise, because I am taking the example of the exercise I had to do this morning. Okay, so who, which means que or quien. Who only can be used with persons. Okay, for example, I meet a guy who share the same hobby than me. It's perfect. It's marvelous. So this is the exercise with the pronouns. And what more can I say with the pronouns? For example, more sentences to correct, to amend the exercise which I had to do, to tell you more sentences. For example, because yes, I want to talk about the one you can use in both the I want to talk about the sentences that where we can use more pronouns. Like, for example, the sentence number 5, okay, of the exercise. You can use it with which or that. They found the things which were stolen in the burglary. Or they found the things that were stolen in the burglary. Or the sentence number 6. I failed an exam which I thought it was easy. Like I'm going to fail this one because the video is a little bit a disaster. And I'm sorry, I'm very nervous, I'm really sorry. And also you can say, I failed an exam that I thought it was very easy. In the sentence number 7, with who and that. We met the woman who is going to buy your house. Or, we met the woman that is going to buy your house. Or, sentence number 8, he got the check which I sent yesterday. Or, he got the check that I sent yesterday. Okay? So, at this moment, with the pronouns, this is all I got to say. And we will continue with the vocabulary exercise, page 7, exercise 2, which goes with how much, how far, and how long, in my case. In English, we use how with an adjective to ask about the characteristic of something. And we have to remember that in English, the adjective is always singular and doesn't change the gender. Many of these sentences are translated into English in a completely different way. Let's see some examples. So I will take the example of my exercise. Okay. We use how much, which means quanto or quanta, to refer to quantity. Is uncountable. You use it for uncountable things like money, milk, or sugar. How much does it cost, for example? And then you have how, which means como. It refers to a manner or a way to do something. You use it to refer to a manner to do or achieve something. For example, how do you do it? And then we have how far. Cuán lejos refers to a distance. You use it to refer to a distance between a place and another. How far is Alicante to Paris, for example? Paris. I love Paris. And then we have how long. How long? ¿Cuánto tiempo? It refers to a length of time. You use it to express a time that elapses from one period of time to another. How long does it take to trim the tree? Okay, so I have finished my explanation. I just want to say that it was a little bit difficult. It's a little bit difficult for me to be recorded in front of a camera. I know that I'm saying a lot of but I cannot avoid it. I'm really sorry. This is the nerve. This is the stress. I don't know. But I try to do my best. And normally my English is really, really better than this. But I don't know why. I am expressing myself like this time, and I hope to improve this. I hope to improve this in the future. Sorry, this is my way of talking in the real life. Also, when I'm talking in English, I use a lot of. When I'm talking in Spanish or French, I use a lot of. This it is a very Frenchly a Frenchly way to express, and I'm sorry for that. I promise that I will improve. So thank you very much. I send my video. I hope that everything will be fine, and have a nice day. Keep safe.